But on whatever side of the divide you belong, RTA kitchen cabinets surely possess a true value when it comes to modern-day kitchen cabinetry. They come in diverse shapes, both in beauty and alluring profiles, every great style found in any modern kitchen decor you can think of. The RTA kitchen cabinet is a fashionable way for homeowners to invigorate their kitchen designs. It offers a semi-custom look that you've always craved for in time past. These modern-day cabinets are made from high-quality woods like birch, oak and maple with top-quality specifications that will fit in well with the scheme of things when it comes to your kitchen decor. For kitchen remodels, one of the critical issues is the kitchen cabinets. Even when proper homework has been done to ascertain how you want to go about it, you will still juggle between different colors and designs, and also costs. But not to worry, RTA kitchen cabinets are separate from traditional cabinetry, which put in your hands a great way to reduce cost, while quality is not thrown out of the window. Your kitchen designs wouldn't be complete without these beautiful kitchen cabinets.